Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Today we will see in this video how to download JDK software in Windows.
If your laptop is having Windows operating system, you can follow this video. At the end, you will be able to install JDK. First step, you have to visit your favorite web browser,
And I would go to my Google Chrome browser.
and here I will be search JDK for Windows. Click on it, open this. This is the official website in the first. Okay, this is the official website. It is from oracle.com. So click on it, open it, scroll down, and here you will see for Linux, for Mac, but I want to install for Windows. So click on Windows. So in the right side here, in the download column, you will be see into 64 installer, JDK installer. So click on this link. JDK software will be downloaded. So this is the latest version of 19.0.1 download. So this is the latest version of JDK. So it's based on your internet speed. It will download. It will take some time. Once it will be downloaded, then double click on it. It will ask to you want to allow to make changes to your device for this application. So I will say yes. And here you will see your JDK is preparing for installation. You just have to tell next. You just have to tell next. So close this and so one thing. So for the Java has been installed now. For Java to work, you have to tell the boss of your computer that where Java is installed or not. Okay. So that's mean you have tell your OS where the Java is there, so that whenever you are running your Java in OS will go there and take JDK help whatever all the Java development needs are present. So now, how do we do that? So this step is very important after you install. So just you have to go to the Windows type search and type here environment variables. So you will see here. So open this in the user variables. Okay, you will see in the top. So click on path. So I have already installed one JDK, but I haven't installed new JDK, no problem. So click on it. So I want to set the path. Okay. So how can I set the path? Here click on new. So here you will see here is a browse option. Okay. So browse this. Go to your PC. Go to your C drive and go to your program files. And here you will see go to your Java. So I have two. So this is my I have been already installed this, but now I have been installed JDK 19. Okay, so click on this, but you have been click on JDK 19, and inside this you have seen bin. Click on it, and your bin is selected. Click on OK. Okay, if you don't have in your system browse option, you can set your path manually also. So what I will do, first of all, I will delete this delete this, and then I will tell you how to set the part manually also. So open your this PC and go to your this PC. Here there is a Windows. Go to your C drive and open the program files. Go to your Java. Now I had been installed JDK 19. Okay. So what I will do, I will click on this. Click on the bin. Here you will see your JDK bin address. So click on this and copy this and click on new and paste here. Then click on OK. So one thing, okay, I will just go here new and I will type here Java home. Okay, and then I will type here paste on this and remove this bin. Remove this bin. Only for I will type here JDK 19. Okay, so what is this? If you want to know, I will say here Java because in the system, okay, in a system, in a developer system, so many software will be involved. Where exactly my Java is there, for that purpose we may have to use tell here where exactly Java is present in your system. Okay, so I will tell here click on OK, then click on OK. If I don't create this, then my JDK software will be run. Yeah, it will be run, but it is a good practice for developers. If you do it, so it is a good for you. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now I want to check my Java is installed or not my computer. So go to your command prompt, type here cd, open this and type here Java hyphen hyphen version. So you will see your Java is installed now, Java 19.0.1. Type here Java C. Type here Java C. Java C means your compiler. Hit on enter key. So you will see here there are lots of things related to Java. Okay, so now your Java has been successfully installed. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. So thank you so much.